You do the furnishings because we know how to do it, and you have a slightly higher split. Or if they want to own that, do the furnishing, you can lower that split. So you are being basically paid to keep that place full because of your knowledge of how to use PriceLab, your knowledge of how to optimize that Airbnb algorithm, your knowledge of how to basically automate the cleaners. All right, so that's second level. The highest level, friend, is get a good, and you have one. You have a great one. Colleague who can help you locate your own property. All right, and purchase that property. Purchase that property.
Wow.
Because once you purchase, you don't need to purchase a bunch. Like at one point, and I said this, jokingly when I first got into Coach Jim's academy. He said, McCray, how many places you gonna get? I said, my dad had 40 rental properties. You don't need 40 with Airbnb passive income. You don't need 40. If you own 10 properties outright, and you don't have to do it overnight, but that's going to replace most people's six-figure salary.
Yeah, I believe so.
And what you're literally doing is you're getting your 40 hours that is being spread out over 40. You're getting your time back.
It's valuable. Getting that time back is valuable, man.
You're getting all that time back. So I mean, I'm excited to be able to take you guys to that next level.